In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create levels in Revit. So let's open our new project on Revit. This is our Revit interface. So we are heading to the project browser. At the project browser, go to the elevation, click any of the elevation. Let me use the east elevation. Here at the east elevation, we have level 2 and level 1. But since we're embarking on a project, a bungalow project or a duplex project, we know that we need to create a level of DPC, ground floor, concrete fascia, and a roofing level. So in this video, we're going to create and edit this level. So we're going to click on level 1, rename it as DPC level, click yes. Level 2, the gap between DPC and the ground floor, you can use 300 or 150, but I'm using 300 millimeter. Let's separate it so that we can see it clearly. Yeah. So to create another level, we right click the level 2, the dialog box will show us, and we click create similar. We choose the distance between the level 2 and the level we are creating. I can choose 3000 millimeters as the distance. Click here to make it move it upward. I'm going to change my level 2 to ground floor, rename it to ground floor. And I'm going to rename my level 3, which is a create similar of DPC, to concrete fascia. And I'm also going to right click on the concrete fascia, create similar, to create my roofing level. So I'm going to put the distance between the concrete fascia and the roof. I'm going to use 150. That's the thickness of the concrete fascia. I'm going to separate it so that it won't confuse us. And I'm going to bring the concrete fascia downward. I'm going to rename to roofing. So this is how to create your levels in Revit. As you can see, we have our DPC, we have our ground floor level, we have our concrete fascia level, and we have our roofing level. Now you can start any bungalow project that you want. Please like and subscribe to our video channel for more of these videos. Thank you.